War Day number 616. Hello everyone, welcome today on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, the first day of November 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And we have also a regular Medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And also the last puzzle, a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in this additional. I won't do them all in the evening, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me solve first these 2 puzzles, to this regular puzzle, medium, and this jigsaw Sudoku. Alright, let me start with the medium Sudoku. Number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. Number 7370. 7370. Yeah. Wow. Getting fast. 7370. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I believe, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 1 star puzzle. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if I can manage this within 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1 and 4. 4 numbers left in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 9 and 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in the last row, so no 9 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 9 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left, and 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with 2, but 9, 9, 5, 5. Let me see. 6, 6. 7. Come on. 8, 8. 8, 8. What's happening? 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 8, 8, okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. We have a pair. The 1 and the 9 in this column, last column. 1 and the 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, then let me see. 3, 8. Need a 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between. Second column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Here 7 in that row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. Okay. We almost finished here. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. No. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Here 3 and an 8 are left in the third row. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars or 3 stars or 2 stars. I think it's rather a 0 stars, because I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. Yeah, 0 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.